He's in the dog bed. Oliver, he's in your bed. I don't like people being in my bed. I pee on people that go in my bed. So, okay. Chris, you're gonna get peed on tonight. Oliver has this thing about people sleeping in his bed. I can't believe you're in the friggin' box.
It's fun. Oh. Ow.
Mm-hmm. That was my favorite box, too. I wanted to take that box home with me. Yes, I won't now.
I didn't.
Yes, I won't now. You ruined it, Chris. You ruined Christmas. Oliver does. Somebody put a bow around me and I didn't like
Ow.
it. Did you get enough good stuff? That's the great stuff. You always do. Got sweaters now.
I did it. I'm out.
Ta-da!